Hi everyone, I'm Akila. In this video, let us see how to use all function to calculate the percentage in Power BI. I have loaded the data from AdventureWorks. I'm working mainly with dim product category, and fact internet sales tables in this specific report. So make sure that in the model, this fact internet sales table, dim product is linked based on the product key, and dim product category is connected based on the subcategory key. Fine. In the report view, you can see there is a table where the sum of sales is being filtered at row level of product category. So if I need to find a percentage of total sales at product category, I should have numerator and denominator. Numerator is the total sales for respective product category divided by the total sale amount which is given here to figure out the percentage. So now let me write a measure to find out the total sales ignoring the product category filter. So let me name my measure as total sales ignoring product category filter equals, I'm using calculate function which will have an expression and n number of filters. My expression is sumx function. Sumx function will have two parameters, the table name and then expression. I'm calling the table here, comma. In the fact internet sales table, we know that order quantity into fact internet sales amount will give us the total sales amount, comma, alt enter. Now I'm writing my all function. All function will take a table name or a specific column name. And we know that the dim product category filter needs to be ignored. To ignore that filter, I need to call dim product category table this particular column, English product category name, because that's the column name being called in this table. Fine, my measure is done. Let me select total sales, ignoring the product category table. See, so at component level, this is being calculated category level total sales, and this value is ignoring these filters. The final amount what you're seeing is being displayed here. Now, let me write a quick measure with divide function so that we'll get the percentage. Product category percentage equals, I'm calling the divide function of total credit sales amount. Don't worry, this measure I'll show you. This measure is having the sum x with fact internet sales table, comma, order quantity into sales amount, comma, and the one we just calculated, total sales ignoring product category. Okay, enter. And let me select here percentile with 2 decimal places, it's fine. Now, let me call even this total product category. Product category. What happened? Here is my function. The measure which I wrote now. Let me search it again. Product category percentage. This one. Yep. See. So this total sale divided by total sale by ignoring the product category filter gives me the percentage. Hope this is useful. Thank you.